So in my last video setup with the brakes, I actually took this all apart and removed the calipers and everything. So with this one, I'm actually gonna do it with a lot less steps. So that's what it looks like. You can kind of see it within all of that spot. And it actually came out the bottom. All right, so after 3 coats, this is what it will look like. I actually didn't even tell you what paint I was using. So I'm using the black caliper paint up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which is good, which means this won't flake off or anything. And maybe somebody's gonna call me crazy, but I'm also using this. And the reason why I'm using this is because they offer a lot of colors, and I'm sure someone's gonna say it might flake off or it's not gonna work right, but I've done this to my cars. I didn't videotape any of me taking this stuff off. Man. Well, anyways, it was very easy. Basically, you just take off everything the same way you put it on. I wish I would have got that, dang it. But anyways, just take everything off the way you put it on. And then I had a little bit of paint right here, so I just used some brake cleaner. And that's about it. And then all I have left is to put this on. everything's good. That was the quickest way. Yeah, so just basically pull everything off. And it actually didn't do too bad of a job. It's almost just like the other one. Just tape up what you don't want to get hit. Not too bad. So, yeah, there you go. There's an easier way. So, thank you for watching. I'm gonna put everything back together.